Fouls. In most cases, a foul by a team will result in them losing possession or the other team earning a free throw. A personal foul is when illegal body contact occurs between two players. There are a range of personal fouls. These are a charging foul, which is when an attacking player running with the ball runs straight into a defender. Blocking fouls are caused when a defending player stands directly in front of an attacker to stop them dribbling past, unless they are at an established safeguarding distance in which this is allowed. A holding foul is when contact is made with a player to slow their movement down, or to stop a pass. Illegal guarding is awarded when a player makes contact with another from behind. Pushing is also a foul. This includes when the players are out of possession and in possession. Illegal screening is trying to stop a player making a movement when they are not in control of the ball. Hand-checking fouls are called when a defending player uses their hands to stop or slow down a player. Illegal hand use fouls are called when opposing players make contact with the ball when the other player is trying to release the ball. There are more types of basketball rules against fouls, such as a technical foul, which is called on a player or coach when they present an unsportsmanlike behavior, such as swearing or arguing with the referee. Persistent fouling is when a player commits 5 or more continuous fouls. They will be removed from the game, however can still be substituted. A team foul means the other team is awarded 2 free throws. It occurs when the team have made 5 fouls of any kind in a single period of time. A violation is when a player goes against specific rules, such as a double dribble, or doesn't play against the time limits of releasing the ball. A backcourt violation is when an attacking player with the ball crosses back over the halfway line once they've advanced the ball beyond it. The playing area of a basketball court is 94 feet by 50 feet. On a basketball pitch, there are sidelines and backlines to signal where the pitch ends and where the ball becomes out of play. The free throw line is drawn in paint that shows where the free throw should be taken from. There are 1 of these on each half of the basketball court. The 3-point area is the whole court apart from the area near the opponent basket, so in the semicircle. The center circle shows where the ball should be thrown up at the start of the match and signals the center of the pitch. There is a no charge semicircle on either half of the pitch, signaled by half a semicircle. In a game of basketball, there is a minimal equipment, the most obvious being the basketball itself and then 2 hoops at either end of the court. Other equipment used is the referee's whistle, and that's basically it for the basketball. So there are 3 fouls. I'm going to give you 3 scenarios in which fouls will be awarded. So a violation foul will be awarded when there is misconduct. For example, if the team in possession are on offensive play, they will be dribbling towards the hoop of the opposing team. The player dribbling with the ball, if they then decide to stop with the ball suddenly to find a pass, but then decide to restart bouncing the ball and moving forward again, they will be called up as a violation because it's a double dribble, resulting in the other team gaining possession. Another foul would be a backcourt violation. For example, if a player is dribbling towards their attacking goal and then suddenly moves back past the halfway line into their own half again, they'll be called up on it due to the fact that they brought the ball back into their own half after moving forward with it past the halfway line. Another foul is a technical foul. For example, if a player has a decision made against them and begins to be abusive towards the ref in an unsportsmanlike manner, then the ref will give them a warning. If the same player then presents the same attitude later on in the match, for example, if they've been fouled or had a decision put against them and they start hurling abuse at the ref again, they will most likely be given another technical foul and removed from the pitch.